Does getting a chiropractic adjustment hurt? Get this question all the time, and the answer is no. If you do the soft tissue work or you prepare the area properly, then a chiropractic adjustment shouldn't hurt. Now, there's a bunch of different types of chiropractic out there. If you just go and see a chiropractor who just does adjustments, then possibly it may hurt. However, when you come and see us, we do a lot of massage and a lot of soft tissue work. The reason we do this is to get the body, the region that we're working on, ready to go. So when we do an adjustment, it's not going to be painful because all the muscles, ligaments, tendons are all nice and loose, they're warm, and they're ready to be able to be stretched. So it's not going to cause you any pain or any discomfort when we give you an adjustment.